Embarrassed when I started as a trader. I was running from one trading system to another, which a trading system is said to be parameters that guides our trading from the beginning to the end. Behind every trading system represents the personality of a trader, which is definitely unique. Now look at what made me stop. I realized that anything I choose to add or remove from a trading system can either increase the win rate and increase the drawdown level of that strategy. So in this YouTube video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step process on how I was able to build my own trading system. And if you stick longer to the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to be able to build yours that will suit your trading style and objective. So if this is what you like, I would want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe to help grow this YouTube channel. Hello guys, my name is Victor Snow from Trading from the Soul. I'm someone that have tested this trading strategy for over 25 years, and I can proudly say I have 70% win rate over a 3RR risk to reward ratio. But I made mention that a trading system is actually parameters that guides you trading. So the advantages of having a solid trading system is that it provides a systematic approach towards trading and make your execution kind of a less error-free. That is why that strategy you've learned on YouTube is actually not working for you, because of it is incomplete. A trading system is not only our strategy. Here are the 4 things a good and a solid trading system is totally made up of. Number 1 is a well-defined parameters, which includes what and what not to do while trading. The simpler you make it, the easier it becomes for you. It must be proven to be true, and it must actually have data backing it up, and it must have rules that keep you in check. One of the misconceptions traders tend to believe is that the harder a trading system looks, the more profitable it is, which is not actually true. I think profitable traders tend to have simple and straightforward trading system. Now we've learned what it's made up of, let us now build one. For you to successfully build a profitable trading system, you're going to be needing these things: an achievable goal. To set an achievable goal. Second one is choose whether you're going to be having a high risk tolerance or a low risk tolerance, and you're going to be checking whether your trading system has the capability to carry these things. And you're going to be having a repeatable routine, day-to-day routine that you do. I used to tell people that your lifestyle as a trader reflects your trading account or reflects to the market. And again, you're going to be having rules to keep you in check. It is very, very crucial to set an achievable trading goal, either a long-term or a monthly trading goal. What most traders tend to do is they will probably have $100 account and will be like, in this one I want to move it into a $500. Not that it is not achievable, but it is not consistently achievable. You might be struggling to get to that 500 and you finally get there and you blow that account back to 80, 50. Can you see that you're running in cycles? Why is setting goal? People normally say that in real life, set goals that are way higher than you. Trading is definitely kind of a different world. Let me give you an example. Probably they say how you work hard is by looking a little bit, putting in putting in the work, looking strong and everything. So in trading, actually working hard for traders is emotional stability, the ability to be emotionally calm in your execution. In real life, they say that you set a very high goal. In trading, setting a too much goal will mess up your psychology. It will make you dream, wish on things that will definitely blow your account. It will make you're doing well as a trader, you're even doing you're one of the best, but you can't actually see it that you're one of the best. Setting goals will move you towards risk tolerance, whether your risk tolerance is going to be a high one or a low one, because you can't actually set goal of moving $100 to $1,000 and you're risking 0.5% on $100 account. It is not achievable. So it is setting this realistic goal that will make you whether you can up your risk tolerance, whether probably to move to from a 1% to a 2% or to a 5%. Remember, what you're risking as a trader is what your mind can be able to carry. Whether if you take this trade, whether you will be psychologically okay to not mess up next trade strategy. You have to actually check whether your trading strategy can able to carry these dreams that you wish to turn into reality. So guys, before we fully talk about strategy, I want you to please give this video a quick like and a subscribe to be a member of this great community. And by the way, you're telling YouTube that you like this kind of videos, and in that way the algorithm reflects videos like this that help you and I grow as a trader. So let's get back to it. I was saying the first thing you have to determine is whether you are a technical or a fundamental trader, which a technical trader is when you use lines in your chart to predict the future, how you buy and sells. Why a fundamental is using news, economic events, which we have geopolitical, the normal ones, to know whether you're going to be buying or exiting, and you can also use both of them. So you have to predetermine whether you'll be able to use both of them and the style of trading you want to actually engage in, which the style of trading will reflect your normal day life or your trading objective, which we have is scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, a position size trader, and a long-term investor. Which I can actually make this decision for you. It is according to things that you engage with. If you are actually a full-time worker, I would recommend you go for a swing trader. A scalper spends more time in the chart and he plays so much trades. Why a day trader spends less time than a scalper. Why a swing trader can come like once in 2 days, once in 4 days, once a week to check his trades, and it can take weeks, months to run. Where a position size trader can take 3 trades a year or 4 trades a day, while a long-term investor can either trade trades once a year or 2 times a year. So you have to make this decision yourself, and you also have to predetermine whether you're going to be trading 1 pair or 5 pairs or 6 pairs or all the pairs. Whether you're going to be focusing on the major pairs, the minor pairs, or the exotic pairs. You have to make these decisions yourself. And you also have to know what the sessions you're going to be trading in. The 3 major sessions we have is the London, the New York, and the Asian session. And you have to clearly state your routine. What I mean by routine is a step-by-step, clearly what you do from Monday to Friday. Then week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Let me give you an example with mine. I wake up by 5 o'clock. I go to look at my do some analysis to know the setups I'm going to be trading that day. Then after that, I will kind of look into my investing.com to go through my fundamentals. If I go through my fundamentals, I will check the news that are coming up that will disrupt, because I'm actually a technical and a fundamental trader. The news why I'm checking them is to check news that will disrupt my trading. And once I'm able to point out this news is high impact news, I use I set 2 hours prior to that time for them my alarm. I'll use my phone to set it to alert me. If it alerts me, what is telling me that if I'm not in the trade, I shouldn't be entering. I have to enter only 15 minutes later after the news. 15 minutes after the news. Then if I'm in any trade that I should receive another time, 10 minutes before the main news event comes out, to put my stop loss as a break even. If it is interest rate decisions, I'll put it in I will either take partials if it is in profit. My rules is actually when I come into them to trading view to check my the setups that I have, actually don't waste time on pairs now. If the setup is there, is not there, I think I dedicate close to 3 to 4 minutes looking at it. If my setup is there, is not there, because if you waste so much time, you start looking for opportunities that are not there for you. Once I'm able to do this, I end my day around 9 by journaling my trade. If I want to go to sleep, I journal my trades, and sometimes I journal my emotions now. Then Sundays before the market opens around 9 to 10, I kind of whatever I'm doing, I'll come back to review these guys, and then I will realize my certain mistake that I don't want to repeat the other next week. Let's talk about rules to put in check. You have to actually have rules to put in check. This is like the psychological aspect of trading, because as human beings, it's so hard. You can see how we are indisciplined. You have to actually set rules to keep you in check while trading. Because without rules in the world, without rules in your country will not be in order. Without rules, you'll mess up your trading. This is not equitable. It's not a play something. This is actually business. There are people that trading is their business, and you're competing against them. People that have professionals that before even they trade, they even wear suits, dress up. Unlike you, that even when you're going to toilets, when you're doing things, you're using your phone to check trades. Now you have to. This is the most professional way. Things that impact their trading, they do. Then how can you actually set rules? I set rules like this: is stop trading when I revenge trade. Stop trading when I don't respect I ignore any single atom of my trading rules. Stop trading if I'm reckless. It even goes down to being reckless in the market. My reckless is when I kind of 2 times, when I repeat a mistake in a day 2 times, or even in a week 2 times, I'll stop trading. Like I'll make myself stop trading for the next week. This is teaching yourself, your body and your soul how to obey you. Stop trading when I add 18 or remove 18 from my trading system without actually backtesting it. So guys, after you must have built a trading system, you have to make sure that this thing you're just doing is just not blabbing. You have to get your charts, backtest it. Backtesting it is when you say you're waking up by 5 o'clock a.m., use your technical analysis that pair now, that 5 a.m. Actually wake up by that time, do your analysis and record it. When you say you close by 7 p.m., actually close by 7 p.m. when you're actually doing your technical analysis. So guys, I have a bonus tip for you, but before that, I want you to please make out time, give this video a like and a subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones. You can click on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and push this video out there. Bonus tip this video is coming with is time and season. you have to know the time and season you have to engage in markets. Time and season is differently whether you want to trade in what holidays or not. Holidays is like what the US Euro USD when you're trading in the US independence. Season is whether you're not trading in January, December, August, or this thing. A quick example of mine is what I don't actually trade in August, November, and December because of what we call capital gains. I've forgotten it. Capital gains, income tax harvest, and that's why I don't trade. And I noticed that during this period, exactly during this period, I used to have what a losing streak. That's why I stopped trading this period. Guys, you've come to the end of this video. A quick summary of this video is I talked about trading system. Trading system reflects you. What if you look at a trading system, you know that what it's kind of a reflection of a trader's personality, which I told you how to build a perfect one is actually having an achievable goal, then having a risk tolerance, whether you can sit high or low, whether your strategy can be able to carry this. I talked about your routine as a trader, which I gave example to my routine. Then I gave you I told you that you should actually backtest this, and I also told you that you should actually set rules that will keep you accountable. Then I ended this video by giving you my own bonus tip, which I made mention of time and season. Please, if you really found value in this video, I would want you to go ahead and give this video a quick like and a subscribe to be a member of this great community. And click this video right here for what I thought about when I was mentioning the psychological aspect of trading, rules to guide you, a complete idiot guide to trading psychology. See you there.